Alright, we're gonna do an unboxing today. Got myself something, so let's unbox it. Oh, this is really and yes, it's from Traska. So let's see, let's dive in. Alright, so it's a little cardboard box. Let's go inside, and then we can get it out. Oh, oops. So here we have, it's the Traska Summit here. And now for the thing, the big reveal. Oh, not yet. Right, so it's in this nifty little pouch. So I believe Traska issues out the watches with this really nice leather pouch, so you can use it as a travel pouch or something like that. So let us open it up and see what's in store. First watch. Oh, it's snug. And here we have it. The Traska Summit here. 36 millimeters. Okay, let's just get it out. So here it is, unboxed. The Traska Summit here. Oh, just gotta check out that clasp. It's full of plastics everywhere. Seems pretty slender. Okay, so this is pretty much what we are getting. So sooner or later, I will have a review for this watch coming up soon. So till then, adios, folks. Adios, and thank you for watching this video. And thank you for your continued support. Anything you wanna highlight, anything you wanna address, just hit the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you want to. If not, I won't do anything to you. So goodbye.